3-bedroom and 2-bathroom condominium. Come with fully furnished at JC Hill Place. The location is really convenient, surrounded by stores, cafes, and the restaurant, and only 5 minutes to the Maya Mall. Hi guys, I am Nisha from Perfect Homes again. So today I'm here at the JC Hill Place or at the Jet Yards. So today I would like to show you guys the room that we just got. It's on the second floor. It's really nice and big. So it's 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. It's with 232.66 square meters. I would like to show you guys. Let's check it out. So at first, here's the big door. So I'm gonna close it. And okay, let's see on this side first. So this is like stair, so for you guys to make like space for working or either do some workout or yoga or whatever, right? And then behind here, they have a chair for a movie. So there's some stair a little bit, and then there's really nice, like a sick chair right here. So it's going to be a really good for the movie nights and watch the YouTube or either Netflix. So here we can watch Perfect Homes. So it's a big space, and then the owner decorations with some the really old movie poster is really nice. Alright, let's check it out. Another space. I love it because it's open space and look really big on the living area. This is the 2 sofa right here. You can just hang it out with your friend, talk, and then whenever you come home and then you feel like tired at work, so you can just like lay down and either like sleep here, take a nap. All right, let's go to see this side. And the good thing is they have a pool table so you can practice. It's really nice. So make the room is some awesome activity. So you can just have a friends come over, do some pool, and then have a drink. Yeah. All right, let's walk a little bit here. So they have really big table here for dining table. So if you got family or either like have friends come over or your family come over, so you can have a really nice dinner right here. It's an egg chair right here. So quite nice. One thing that I love about this living area is the high ceiling right here. So it's a make the room is can breathe and then have some light from the outside. It's really bright. behind me is the kitchen area. So let's check it out. Here's the owner. They do the countertop, so it's like a quick meal right here before go to work, before go to school, so your kid can sit here or either yourself sit here for a quick meal. So the kitchen area is a big space, so they do material like black and white, so it's really matching. And then here are washing machines and 2 sinks. And the one thing that I really love is they have dishwasher. So it's kind of hard to find a condo that have a dishwasher in here. And here's a really big fish with the white, so matches my shirt. And then behind here, they have hood, the electricity hob, and then the oven as well. So really cool for the ovens. And I kind of like that the owner, they do like soft close when you open it, and then you just close like a soft close. So. Alright, let me show you guys a bedroom that I mentioned is 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. Let's go see it. So as the living area, and then I'll show you guys the first 1 bedroom first. So here, so we go into the bedrooms. They have a 5 foot for the bed. They have a cosmetic table right here, and then after that they have a closet. So this room, they have a fan and the air conditioner as well. So let's go see another room. But before we see another room, so here's some restroom, a bathroom right here as well. So in the shower, they have a hot water and cold water system as well, and then they separate space from the dry and wet area. So really nice. And I got another room here. So this one, I think the same. The owner, they do a different bed, like a twin beds right here, so 2 beds. And then the cosmetic chair as well, cosmetic table, and then the closets. So in here, this room, the same. Even though you don't want to turn on the aircon every day, so you can turn on the fan as well. So it saves your electricity bill. So let's go see another room. It's a master bedroom. So let's go see the master bedroom. So it's right here. It's really bright and nice. A little bit space more than the 2 room. So it's at the bed here, and then I like that they have a really big window right here, and you can see from the outside. And then of course they have a closet behind me. And they have their own bathroom as well right here. So they have a hot water and cold water system, and then yeah, of course separate dry and wet space as well. So, and of course this room they have a fan and then the one air conditioner, so you can pick either one you want to use. So right now we're back to the living area. So I forgot to mention that the living area, they have a fans and then the aircon in the ceiling as well. So don't worry about the hot weather as all in Chiang Mai. So, and yeah, I would like to mention to you guys again. So this is the room, second floor at the JC Hill Place, located at the Jet Yachts. It's really near Canal Road. It's only 5 minutes to Maya or Nimman, or either you want to go to Super Highway. Super Highway is really close, so maybe 5 minutes here, or either you want to go to Center Festival. I think it's about 15 minutes, so it's really convenient. And of course, this room have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. The size is over 232.66 square meters, and they have a security 24 hours well, and then the camera security as well. So if you guys would like to see this room, please contact me or either contact Perfect Home. So, and of course we will be happy to show you guys this room. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on our Perfect Home channels, and I think we're gonna see you guys for the next video. Thank you. Bye.